Welcome to a short video about DbViewSharp. DbViewSharp is an open source application designed to make exploring databases really easy, but it also has many other features such as input and output, editing and scripting. In this video I'll demonstrate how to create a connection to 3 different database managers. The first time you load the application, it's ready to connect to a SQL Server database. The tooltip help is activated, but I'll disable that because it might become distracting. The first thing is to enter a connection name. What you choose is up to you, but I would choose a sensible name if you're planning to create many connections. And a top tip from me is to include also whether this is going to be a development database or is actually a production database. Next, we'll add the server. If you're connecting with a user account, you'll enter the user ID and password. Otherwise, if you're using Windows authentication, leave these two blank and go straight to the selection of the database. Either type in straight here or press the list and select from there. VentureWorks is a sample database supplied by Microsoft, and that has many of the features that are available in the modern SQL Server, so we'll use that. The next step is to save that and best to test, good, before proceeding to connect. The next database I'd like to connect to is a SQLite file. For this I'll need to change the driver. We're currently on SQL Server, as I said. We now need to switch to SQLite. This is the screen you'll see when you're first connecting to a SQLite database. Very similar. We're going to connect to a database I already have, so the answer is no. Again, choose your connection. I'm going to use the Chinook database. This is an open source sample database, also available on Codeplex. As it's a file we're going to connect to, we can browse to that. Once again, we'll save that, test it, and connect. The final database I'll connect to is a SQL CE, or SQL Compact Edition file. Again, we need to change the driver or the database manager. We'll go for version 4. Very similar to SQLite, you're connecting to a file. So no, I have an existing file. I'm going to browse to it and select. Save. I haven't put a connection name in. Save again. Test and connect. That's all there is. In the next video I'll show you what you can do when you've got the database connection. Thank you.